Hey, this is Matt with Crooked Pig's Barbecue. We're here in my kitchen. We just finished shooting a YouTube video on how to make a smoked brisket chili. We finished that up though, and now I'm going to show you how to turn this brisket chili that's left over into the best game day dip you've ever had. So follow me over here to my stove and we'll see what we've got going. All right, you get your chili going over medium-high heat. To that, we're gonna put some cubed up cream cheese. This is about 8 ounces of cream cheese. That is it, folks. All you do is melt this cream cheese into that chili, and when it's done, it'll be a nice thick dip, and I'll show you how to plate that and what we serve it with. It's the best thing you've ever eaten. All right, we've incorporated our cream cheese. We're just going to go ahead and pour this into a little ramekin serving dish. All right, our chili dip is in the bowl. Now, we're gonna get a platter, and we're gonna use Frito scoops with this. You can use whatever corn chip you want, but trust me, Frito scoops are where it's at. So we're gonna go ahead and put that right on the platter, and that is ready to take out to your game day table as it sits. We're gonna go ahead and try it here. Let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Your guests will come back for more and more of this chili crack dip. Enjoy it.